Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So it's Thursday today, nearly the end of a week, and I'm so looking forward to the weekend. Can't come quickly enough, really. So today I am going to be doing a straight pour. I've only done a straight pour for about 3 to 4 times before, and they were never that great. I think my consistencies wasn't right, the way I've poured it wasn't right, and I may have also tilted the pieces a little bit too quickly as well. So this time around it's a different story, and I really love this piece, so keep watching to see the results. So the colors that I'm using are listed below as usual, and these were actually leftover colors from my bloom recipe. Now I had mixed these colors a while back, and I haven't been able to do much painting, so I didn't really want to just keep them, and I just wanted to use it up. So I wanted to do something a little bit different this time around with them, so I thought I'd try a straight pour. As you've already seen, I've layered all my paint in a small cup, and before pouring on the canvas, I've laid down a little puddle of white paint as well. Now this paint is simply so that my colored paint doesn't get stuck on the canvas and roll onto itself when I'm tilting the piece around. That way the colors just slide and glide smoothly across the canvas. So here again, I'm putting a little bit of white paint across, well, all around the colored paint before I start tilting. So this is a 6x6 inch canvas, and I've used about 30 mils of a colored paint plus a little bit extra for the white paint that I've put underneath and around the pour. So here I'm slowly tilting and swirling the paint around so that I get the coverage that I need to everywhere. So the tilting part is actually in real time because I thought it would be good for you to see and get a feel for the speed that I'm moving the paint around, and so you get to see how quickly the paint is moving as well. I'm being super careful to not tilt the paint too fast because I do want to control the composition for this piece a little bit more. I must apologize, but it's a little bit dark in this video. Normally I would have a light on so you can see the piece a little bit better and the colors a little bit better, but this time around I didn't do that, and that's because I was really just playing with some leftover paint, and to be honest, I did not think that this was gonna work out, but to my surprise it turned out to be a gorgeous piece. So it looks a little bit dark and dull in some areas, but I can assure you that that's not the case. At the end of the video, I'm including a little clip and pictures of this piece with a light on, and where you'll get to see the shimmer from the deco art paints that I've used and the color change from the PBO iridescent paint in this piece. I actually really enjoyed making this piece. I really love how it turned out. The colors worked really well together, I thought, and I'm actually very happy that I've put a little bit of black in there because I think that has helped to give some definition to the piece, and you get to see the details a lot more. The colors has blended really nicely in some areas. I like that really green bluey part that you see on one of the top corners. But yeah, overall I was so surprised that this was the outcome. So I am most definitely going to be playing a lot more with this technique, so keep an eye out for new pieces in the near future. I hope you have enjoyed this video today. Let me know what you thought of this piece in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. So I guess until next time, have a lovely weekend. See ya!